I want to start this video with a weird question. What if Turnitin says your writing is AI generated, but you actually wrote every single word yourself? Sounds impossible, right? Well, that's exactly why this review exists. Because over the last year, AI detectors have become a huge deal. Students are worried about them, writers are worried about them, businesses are worried about them, and one name keeps showing up over and over again. Turnitin AI Detector. So before you trust that AI score, here's what I discovered. The first thing I did was test content that I knew was 100% human written, not AI assisted, not edited by AI, completely human. And honestly, that's where things got interesting, because AI detection isn't black and white. It's not like scanning a barcode and getting a perfect answer. The detector is making a prediction based on writing patterns. That's important to understand because a prediction and a fact are not the same thing. Then I tried something else. I took AI generated content and edited it heavily, changed sentences, added personal opinions, rewrote sections, made it sound more natural. The score changed dramatically. And that was probably the biggest lesson from my testing. The detector isn't really checking where ideas came from, it's checking how the writing looks. That's a huge difference. Now let's talk about the mistake I see people making every day. Someone gets a score saying 80% AI. Immediately they panic, or someone gets a low score and assumes they're completely safe. Neither reaction makes sense because the score alone doesn't tell the whole story. Context matters. The writing matters, the editing matters, everything matters. The next thing I realized is that Turnitin is most useful when it's treated as a warning signal, not a final judge. Think about a smoke detector. If it goes off, you investigate. You don't automatically assume the entire building is on fire. That's how I think AI detection should be used, a signal that something deserves a closer look, not automatic proof. And honestly, I think that's where a lot of people get confused. Now, is Turnitin useful? Absolutely. Especially for schools, universities, researchers, and organizations trying to understand how content is being created. There's definitely value there, but after testing it, I wouldn't blindly trust any AI detector, not Turnitin, not any of the others. Because writing is messy, humans write differently, AI writes differently, and sometimes those differences overlap. So here's my honest conclusion. Turnitin AI Detector is a useful tool, but it's still a tool, not a crystal ball, not a mind reader, and definitely not something that should be treated as 100% proof. So before you trust the score, understand what the score actually means, because that's the part most people never stop to think about. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.